Aw, animals.
Pigeon caught smuggling phone into prison. A bird-brained smuggling mission was foiled thanks to two eagle-eyed guards at a Colombian prison. The maximum security Combita prison is home to a slew of criminals, some of whom sneak in goods using high-tech methods, like messenger pigeons. But when one tried to get into the prison on Tuesday with fresh deliveries, it was intercepted by a pair of prison guards. In a video, the guards can be seen snipping a tiny harness strapped to the pigeon's back before setting the bird free. One of them then pulls up the goods the pigeon was transporting, a small mobile phone and USB stick, inside a plastic baggie. Prison officials don't know which jailbird the actual bird was heading for, but they are now investigating.
Será liberada de inmediato la paloma después de haber retirado el bolso con el celular. Compañero, muestra el celular que le incautó a la paloma. Un celular con una USB, embalado en una bolsa.
It's not the first time inmates have used pigeons to smuggle items. There were similar incidents in 2009 and 2011, and the poor birds are known to have been used as contraband carriers and drug mules in other prisons as well. See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to TomoNews now.